Like, for example, this guy, Mazin Sheikh, who says, oh, your videos are great, but one thing, but it's really lengthy at times. Would appreciate if you could cut them a butt short, not butt short, bit short. Okay. See, the thing is, the videos that I give you is all given with tons of content. Yes, I understand that you want shorter videos, but then if I have to make shorter videos, it multiplies the amount of work that I have. So what I tend to do is I put timestamps which are down below in the description. I painfully listen to the whole video, pick up the exact spot where I change the next topic, and I give it to you. So you can either choose the timestamps, number one, or you can go to the settings on YouTube where there is speed up. You know, there's normal speed, there's 0.5 times speed, or there's 50% speed faster, or there's 2 times. So you can watch the video at a faster speed if you want to, cut the video shorter. Or you have another option, that is watch later. What I tend to do is I watch a lot of podcasts, I watch a lot of documentaries, whereby they are sometimes 1 hour to 3 hours, and I don't have that kind of time. So I watch these videos later. I save them for later, or I watch them on a fast forward basis. So this is how you can actually watch a video. But please stop asking me to make every topic into a new, upload, or have 10-minute videos where I look at the time and say, oh, 5 more minutes, or 3 more minutes, or 2 more minutes. I like these videos to be a normal conversation, and I like to go one time, because what you don't seem to understand is every video is painfully time consuming. It's painstaking. It's not easy to make these videos. So I try to make separate videos based on topics, that is, if it is necessary. However, for you, please check the timestamp down below. I keep telling you, check the timestamp down below. Choose the topics that you like, or you can fast forward the video by watching it at a speed like 1x, 1.5x, or 2x the speed. Or you can save it for later and watch it later. Like Joe Rogan's podcast is 1 hour. Some of them are even 3 hours. So I tend to watch bits and pieces for later. So I hope this solves your problem. Please don't ask me to, Loy, can you make your video short? Can you make your video short? Because no matter how many times I answer this, you keep asking me. So